welcome back to my channel, eHouser. I am Shrestha, your trusted property advisor. Today I will be telling you about a very excellent project, that is Titanium by Signature Global, which is located strategically on Sector 71, Southern Peripheral Road, also known as SPR. Before I start with the project, I'd like to tell you a bit about the developer. The developer Signature Global has come up as one of the best ones in the North Belt, especially in Gurgaon. They have delivered successful projects in residential plots, SEO plots, retail, and industrial arena. In the real estate, they have been doing an excellent job. Now I'd like to tell you about the project Titanium. It is spread over 22.5 acres of land, and with 91% of green area. So if you're coming from a very congested place, then you would really love this kind of place with a wide range of empty space for you to breathe. Also, it is a high rise, low density project. So it is now coming in phase one only, with 5 towers, with G plus 40 tower for 40 floors. Right now, it is surrounded by a 24-meter road on two sides, so which makes it very accessible to the main road itself. So as you can see, it is very well connected, very strategically positioned. It is available in variants of 3.5, 4.5 and penthouses, ranging from 2780 to 3780 square feet area. So for penthouses, you get facilities like dining, family lounge, as well as an entrance, and master bedroom, a junior master bedroom, two bedrooms, a powder room, a puja room, and of course four washrooms. I mean bathrooms, and utility space. So that makes it a very massive penthouse to live in. The variants of 3.5 BHK are in a 3 to a core layout, and penthouses and 4.5 BHK are available in the layout of 2 to a core. So you only have two houses in one floor. So that gives an excellent space for you to live. With regards to the club, it is 100,000 square feet area, and with 55 plus amenities. You can imagine the kind of imagination you can go. You have it all. There is something for everyone, for all age groups, starting from jogging tracks to yoga and meditation centers, swimming pools, VRV AC systems, as well as card rooms, karaoke room for that matter, and gym, of course, and whatnot, a mini theater, business center, co-working spaces, fine dining, just to name a few. So this is the kind of lifestyle you've always dreamt for. So why wait? Start your booking with eHouser, and a booking amount of only 10 lakhs. Yes, that is correct. And right now the current rate is 17,000 per square feet. This is an excellent opportunity for you to invest in, because you're going to get it all at this location with an excellent developer. So start your booking with eHouser at 911-700-1122. Call us for all kinds of assistance and more knowledge about this project. And you can also email us at hello@ehouser.com. Also log into www.ehouser.com.